this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the mukbang show where I eat something that's spicy, you watch and don't eat it, and hope that I go, ooh, or something like that. I only go, ooh, if something is really, really spicy to me. I don't do it just to go, ooh, it's really spicy, and oh my god, and I'm gonna jump up and down and do the best practices for YouTube and try to entertain you. I'm just trying to do what it's actually doing anyways. So today we've got this 2X, basically. This is Bulramen, hot Bulramen. It says fire. It looks like the fire thing. It looks like somebody's farting, I don't know, or a nuke. I don't know. It looks like our little chicken guy is holding some peppers that almost look like in the style of a machine gun. It says extra hot, so I just cooked it according to manufacturer's specifications. Here it is. We will see how this goes. I normally ask my children to aid in my doing here, but they're kind of missing in action with their tablets in some other room. So, oh, there's one. All right, I need a ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
All right, here we go. Spicy time. You're wearing your swimsuit?
Yeah.
It's like cloudy outside. All right. Run away, it's spicy, it's spicy. I like the noodle. You know, I'm getting heat. I really gotta say, I'm unimpressed. The heat level of this is not even near standard bulldog. I mean, it's spicy. Most people in my house would go, no way, that's way too spicy. But personally, I'm no. Is it as hot as 2X bulldog? Is it as hot as 1X bulldog? No and no. Oof. Temperature-wise, it's pretty hot still. It's like burning my mouth more from the temperature than from the spiciness. And that's just sad. Alright, let's try to tame some of this liquid at least. Done. Well, is it hot? Yeah, it's hot, but I mean, am I losing my mind? No. It's a lot of front of the mouth heat. Got a little bit of the nose run. It's just kind of nauseating, though. The flavor really doesn't do it for me. And the noodle's all right, though. It's nice and thick. This one just is not impressing me. It's just kind of I think this one's just cheaper. Spend a couple extra bucks. That's my advice to you, the consumer. Spend a couple extra bucks, you'll like it a lot more as by getting the bulldog, I think. And I'm not paid to tell you that. That's just my thoughts. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.